Types of noun. Today we will learn about countable noun and uncountable noun. First of all, look at this picture. We have fish. We can say one fish, two fish, three fish. We can also say one house, two houses, three houses, four houses. Same with the banana. We can say one banana, two bananas, three bananas. That's mean we can count them individually, or we can say that we can count them one by one. So, what is countable noun? Countable nouns are things that we can count one by one. They have singular and plural forms. For example, as we discussed, fish, banana, and house. Look here, we have some other example. Here we have boy, tree, chair. They also have plural form boys, trees, chairs. So they are also countable noun because we can count them one by one. So they are countable noun. Look here, we have some sentences. The boy is playing football. She is reading a book. The baby is drinking milk. The sun is shining brightly. Here, boy, book, baby, sun. These are countable nouns. Look here, we have milk and juice. We can't say one milk, two milks, three milks, four milks. Similarly, we cannot say one juice, two juices, three juices. That's mean we are unable to count them individually. They cannot be counted one by one. So, the substances are the things that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. Look here, we have water, rice, salt, air, bread, sugar, tea. All of them are not counted individually. We can't count them one by one. We don't say one water, two waters, three waters. Same is the case with other examples. So, they are uncountable noun. So, what is uncountable noun? An uncountable noun is a noun that cannot be counted individually, so it does not have a plural form and is not used with a or an. An uncountable noun can't be counted individually. Look at these sentences. The children are playing with sand. He is drinking milk. I want a glass of juice. This book is made of paper. Here, sand, milk, juice, and paper are uncountable nouns. Today, we learn countable noun in which you can count things, but uncountable noun are those things that you cannot count. That's all for today. Hope so you will enjoy it. If you like it, then share it with your friend. Thank you. Have a nice day.